What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to do with you guys. Really excited to get into this package. Before I do, I just want to remind everybody I do have two amazing knives to give away the moment that I hit 85 patrons. We have the Giant Mouse Clyde that's rocking LMAX and micarta, as well as the Masry Nimrod that's rocking carbon fiber and M390. The moment I hit 85 patrons, we'll be doing a giveaway for everybody. If you'd like to read about that goal, follow the link down in the description to my Patreon. Have a look around, and then if you decide you want to join and help support the channel and help me reach the goal at the same time, you can. That would mean the world to me. I've got once a week Patreon exclusive videos that are really, really fun. People seem to like those. We do some special stuff there, as well as some cool stickers. Of course, I've got my Metal Knight helmet sticker at the $5 tier, and I've got my Metal Complex sticker at the $3 tier. So anyways, that would be great. Also, down in the description, like usual, you can pick yourself up a Rainbow Lady of the Sea or some more useful items like this Wea bit selector or the magnetic driver. I love those. There's also a whole bunch of other really cool items down there, such as some of the knives that I show on the channel all the time for size comparisons, or some of my user blades, you know, some of the most popular stuff of all time mixed with some of the stuff that I really like. So whatever your itch is, you can scratch it down there in with the links in my description. Anyways, let's get into this. So this was sent by the Pass Around group. I know that because the name on the package sender was Big Red EDC. That's a great channel. But I don't know what it is. It's big. What is that? What logo is this? Oh, it's Wii. Of course. God dang, that's a big knife. Oh, wait a sec. Okay, now wait, I think I do know what this is. This is the fixed blade. Yeah, yes. Yeah, what is that? Is that a clip with some, okay, I don't know what that is. Here we go. Hey, that is a pretty sweet fixed blade there. Some nice contoured G10 scales. Beautiful tumbled drop point blade there. What steel do we have? Is it gonna say? I don't know, maybe it'll say on the box. Yeah, what does it say here? Here's the model, there you go. 919B Stonefish, tan G10 handle, stonewash finish, CPM 20 CV. Okay, CPM 20 CV is great. I'm not sure what I think about 20 CV as a hard use fixed blade steel, but it might be good for a bunch of, I don't know. When I think of a fixed blade, I think about, you know, a blade that I'm really throwing around, jamming in, doing more pry tasks than I might normally use a regular knife for, but I'm also doing cutting tasks, things like that. CPM 20 CV is not notoriously tough. In fact, it's not really tough at all. It is very edge retentive and very stainless. So where it's lacking some of the qualities that some people might want, you know, some people might use a fixed blade for and want some of those qualities, it's also got some qualities that people who use fixed blades definitely would appreciate. So in any case, CPM 20 CV is a fantastic steel. I'm sure it'll serve just fine. This is a very beautiful knife, very comfortable knife. Love the forward choil, love the thumb ramp there. Really, really nice. You do kind of have, it's interesting there. You've got some areas they kind of really want your hands to be in a certain spot. Though I suppose you can come down here. It still feels pretty locked in, like if you wanted to do some light chopping or something. Yeah, you could totally do that. There's the screws there. Looks like some nice, at least T8 size on both sides. Nice gear pattern back here on the tang. That thickness is probably about 165 thousandths. It's nicely knocked down there. Beautiful. Really, really nice looking fixed blade there. Okay. Well, guys, that's going to be about it for today's short little unboxing. Like I said, links in the description for some of the stuff that I always talk about. So check out my description. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.